What are the pros and cons of keeping a totaled car? Have you ever wondered what happens when your car gets declared totaled? It can be a tough situation, and deciding whether to keep it or not involves weighing some important factors. Let's break down the pros and cons of keeping a totaled car, especially in the context of total loss assessment and the auto insurance claims process. When an insurance company declares your car as totaled, it means the repair costs exceed a certain percentage of its pre-accident market value. This value is known as the actual cash value. If you choose to keep the car, you will receive a settlement based on the actual cash value minus the salvage value. This means you can use that settlement money to repair the vehicle if you decide to go that route. One of the biggest advantages of keeping a totaled car is that if it is still drivable or can be repaired at a reasonable cost, it might be cheaper than buying a new vehicle. You also have the option to sell parts from the car or use them for another vehicle, which can help you recoup some of the costs. Plus, by keeping your existing car, you can avoid new car payments or leases, which is a big plus for many people. However, there are some downsides to consider. Repair costs can be unpredictable and may end up being more expensive than you initially thought. Additionally, the car will typically receive a salvage or rebuilt title, which significantly reduces its resale value and can make it harder to sell in the future. Insuring a vehicle with a salvage or rebuilt title can be tricky. Insurance companies may charge higher premiums or limit coverage options since these vehicles are considered higher risk. Some states also have strict laws regarding the titling and registering of salvage vehicles, which can complicate ownership and use. Safety is another concern. A repaired totaled vehicle may not be as safe as a non-damaged car, which is something to think about if you plan on driving it. Furthermore, if you keep and insure a totaled car, your insurance premiums may increase because insurers view salvage title vehicles as riskier. If you decide not to repair the vehicle and it remains in a salvage yard, your insurance coverage options will become limited, and you won't be able to legally drive the car. In summary, keeping a totaled car can offer financial benefits if repair costs are manageable and you want to retain the vehicle. However, it also brings challenges like higher insurance costs, reduced resale value, potential legal hurdles, and safety concerns. It is essential to carefully evaluate repair estimates, insurance implications, and state regulations before making your decision.